Hello and welcome back. What we're going to do in this video here is we're going to actually create some two-dimensional drawings from this three-dimensional object. Now the idea of this is we're going to sort of imagine that we're presenting this coat hook to a manufacturer, and they will be able to take all the information they need from our drawing to then go ahead and make it. So we're going to go to the new feature, so I'm going to go to new, and we want to create an annotated document. So I'm going to click on the AM_ISO1 and create, and our page will look something like this. It's going to come up with an attribute box that we can enter values into. I'm going to leave that alone for the time being. I'm going to click OK, and our page will look like this. We then want to put in our item, and we start off with the base view. And as the last drawing we were working on is the coat hook, it's brought that in for me as if by magic. I'm just going to flip round to the back view here because I want to start off with the front view, and that is as if we're looking directly to the front of it, and it's drawn it in a scale of 1 to 1. If we're drawing something that is much bigger, we might want to put a more appropriate scale in. It might be 1 to 2, might be 1 to 5, 1 to 10, 1 to 50, but we're 1 to 1 here is okay. So I'm going to click OK, and what that's done is it's turned it from a 3D drawing to a 2D view. And you'll notice it's got some features, it's got our holes in there, and it's got some hidden detail, which we'll look at in a minute. I'm just going to shift that across to the side. I'm just arranging my drawing space because I want to bring in some more views. We're going to create an orthographic drawing here. So to do that, I want a side view and a top view. So I'm going to go to projected here, and if I go here, it's going to project views away from the base view that we've inserted. So we've got the side view there, and it's going to bring in, if I just bring it in that way, the top view there. And if I go right click and create, it's then going to create our orthographic drawing. So just to go back to this issue of hidden detail, if we look here, we'll notice around here that it's showing things that we know are there but we can't see. So we've got our holes for our screws that are just there. So I'm going to zoom out again, and we might want to put some sizes on it. So we're going to go to the top here and annotate, and we're going to dimension, and here gives us the opportunity to put some sizes in here. So if someone was to want to take this drawing and go and make it, they'd need sizes. So I'd like you to experiment with this, and I've just selected that line. It went red when I hovered over it, blue when I selected it, and if I left click now, it's going to bring that dimension away. I can edit the dimension. I'm not happy with that as it is, and I'll click OK, and it's showing me it's 17 millimeters. Now, as there's lots of different lines going on here, I want to measure from top to bottom, so I'm going to click that top left-hand corner. It goes green, and the bottom left-hand corner there, not quite hit the point I wanted, so I'm going to try again. Dimension, top left there, bottom left there, and a size from top to bottom, and OK. It can even put angular dimensions in, so what the angle from there to there, and I'm going to put that in there, and it's showing me that's at 230 degrees. We might want the size of this line, so I'm just dragging a dimension from there, and the more detail that we can put on this, the better, because that will enable the manufacturer to make it to the exact size that we want. So another green dot there to the green dot there, drag it away, and we're getting as many sizes on here as possible. Okay, and I'm going to pan now, and I might want the size, the inside from there to there, and that is 27 point, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to just zoom out to give you an idea of what we're trying to achieve there. So we're kind of trying to achieve a drawing with as many sizes on there that we can get, so the manufacturer will be able to make it. Hope you succeeded with that. Thank you very much. Goodbye.